This Clubhouse app is so powerful. What's up, creatives? I'm Abigail Chin, your go-to for design, business tips, and social media hacks. And today, we are going to talk about a new social media app called Clubhouse. Just a disclaimer, this will not be a walkthrough or tutorial of this app. Instead, I'm going to show you how to use this app to grow your business and brand. However, to start off this video, I'm going to give a little introduction of what this app even is. The Clubhouse app is a new audio-only based platform that allows you to listen and chat with people from all around the world in different rooms. I think this app is gaining massive popularity at the perfect timing because people who are stuck at home or quarantining or unable to meet people from all around the world is able to connect in just this single app. This app is not just for building personal relationships, but business networking as well. I'm amazed by how many people I've met and gotten close to just because of this app. This really can be the future of networking. However, right now Clubhouse is not available to the public because they are currently in their beta testing phase. So you do need an invite to get on this app right now. There are so many invite trains going on Instagram and Facebook, so do hop on and DM those people for an invite if you're interested. If you already have the app, connect with me at Abigail Chin. Also, comment down below what your Clubhouse username is and write down your bio so that other people who are watching this can find and connect with you as well. Now, to use Clubhouse to grow your business and brand is of course to introduce yourself. The first thing you have to do is have a clear bio. Some people have really long bios and some people just have a few sentences. It's really personal preference. I personally think that it's best to write down in the first few sentences of who you are and what you do before listing out your accomplishments below it. Because during your room chats, and trust me, people are always curious of who you are and what you do, no matter if you're on stage talking or just simply listening. They will also follow you if you have something in your bio that catches their eye and that relates to them. So, if you want people to know about your business and brand, be sure to have everything written clearly in your bio. Remember to also link up your Instagram and Twitter account, because Clubhouse right now don't have the function to private message other people. So people in your chat room will automatically go straight to your bio, click onto your Instagram or Twitter account to follow or DM you. Introduce your business verbally in the chat rooms by pushing your hand raise button and talk about your business when the time is appropriate. Many hosts or moderators do go in order to give people a chance to speak up and ask questions. I know it might sound a bit intimidating when you first start, but trust me, once you speak up the first time in smaller rooms, then bigger rooms, your nerve will go down. Remember, these people can't see you, so you can be in your PJs, closing your eyes and imagining another scene, and people won't even know. When you do talk about your business, you want to give out as much value as possible. You don't want to sound salesy. Instead, explain how you would solve a problem and what help you can offer. One lady in one of my chat rooms asked the question, something along the lines of not knowing how to create content. And another person, let's name her Alice, she introduced her business and offered to help. Not only did she gain one client, another person jumped in and asked if Alice can DM him so that he can get some help from her as well. Alice got 2 clients just talking about her business. This Clubhouse app is so powerful. Another way to grow your business is just hosting a room yourself. You can collaborate with 3 other friends, moderators, influencers, any other people you know who have the same interests to moderate a room with you. This way, you're in control of the quality of the conversation. I've recently co-hosted a room with 3 other moderators. The room is called Branding Strategies for Content Creators and Coaches. Not only was I able to provide insights from my experience, I was able to learn so much from these moderators and people that came on stage. Through that, people followed and DM'd me on Instagram and wanting to connect with me. So just to recap, by having a clear bio with the right social media link attached to it, talking about your business and the values you bring to the room, and hosting your own room, you will be gaining traction and new eyes to your business. I hope this helped you on your business journey. Again, comment down below your Clubhouse username and bio so that we can get connected and network. So please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now!